Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how you can fix verification code not received over on Twitter. So the process is quite easy. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So try to update the Twitter application because sometimes the reason behind that is the update. So make sure that your Twitter application must be up to date. It is updated to the latest version of Twitter so that you can access all the features in it and not faced any problem in it. The second thing you can do is to hold your Twitter application and click on app info. Once you're here, go to storage usage and click on clear cache and clear data. This will basically reset all your Twitter application and you will be able to do everything from the beginning. Similarly, go to messages application, hold it and go to app info. Once you're there, go to storage usage and click on clear cache. So it will basically delete all the unnecessary files of your messages application. Now go to permissions and make sure that the SMS permission must be allowed, because if it is disabled you cannot receive any message from the Twitter. So make sure that it will set to allow. Alright, so we have done. Now try to re-log in your account over on Twitter and I believe your problem will be fixed. So that's the end for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.